Okay, we have checked into the Luxor here in Las Vegas. We're staying in the pyramid section, which is the original section and the oldest, but you got to do that. And the black there is actually, I believe, the elevators. They're called inclinators, so they go up at a 39-degree angle. We're on the 21st floor in room 21065. And you can see there's kind of a standard bathroom, nothing fancy. Safe, ironing board and iron. I think that's like maybe a queen bed, I guess.
I think it's king.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Supposed to be. I don't see a fridge.
Oh yeah. Unless it's.
I couldn't. I don't see. It's like it's nothing.
Might have been a fridge at one time. Well, no, it looks like it's separated into three, so maybe it's 3 drawers. But yeah, it doesn't appear that there's a refrigerator.
It's a big room, though. I mean.
Got a little work desk. And that's pretty much it. Not too much to say about it, really. And then after riding the inclinator up to the 21st level, you can see you're on the outside. The rooms are on the outside of the pyramid. And everything else is obviously centrally located, the restaurants and so on. So it's pretty neatly themed, actually. Nice concept. And when we checked in last night, it was dark where you couldn't see out the window. And they've got like kind of a sort of a black screening, I think, to keep the heat out. But you've got, I believe, the stadium over there. I think that may be where the Raiders play. And directly behind me would be Las Vegas Boulevard on the other side of the pyramid. Can't see very well going through this black screening thing, but the pools are down there. And the Delano, which is right beyond that, is Mandalay Bay. We are staying at the Luxor here on the Strip. It's actually on the south end of the Strip, next to Mandalay Bay, and also Excalibur. I believe the Luxor opened up in '93, and as you can see, it's a pyramid, and they've got elevators that actually kind of go up the angle of the pyramid. They call them inclinators. It's a 39-degree angle. It's obviously seen better days. It's not considered one of the more premium ones now, but it's still has its niceties. Luxor at the time was built by the owners of Circus, which also owned at the time Excalibur. Now it's, I believe, part of an MGM rewards program, and it's also part of Hyatt. So you can actually use Hyatt points to book this. At nighttime, at the top of the pyramid, there's actually a light that shoots up into the sky. And you can actually see the beam as it goes up through the air, and it's pretty neat. This is walking into the main entrance area. You can see those there's basically four sides of the pyramid that the elevators go up, the inclinators. And you can actually feel it, obviously, as the angle, as you're moving with an angle. I believe when it opened, they had a little bit of a boat ride that was part of your check-in, but they abandoned that soon because the lines were just too long with the amount of people that they had. So this is the pool area, and you get your towels here where you walk out of the doors of the West Tower. Looks like the pool's open till 6, if the sign's correct.
so I know they do have like cabana rentals around ones, and then obviously the loungers. They have padded chairs, I know, are I think they're 125 or 150 per couple. I'm not sure about the cabanas, but those you rent ahead of time, then the other standard plastic chairs are just per couple.
And our room should be somewhere up there, I believe, based upon our view out the window. And as you can see, there's more than one pool, and they have waitress.
I mean, they have a lot of chairs, which is nice, but they do pack you in like rats.
Right. Looks like they have a DJ. Number of bars. So it's a nice big area, actually.
Yeah, there's still one more area as well.
Where's that?
Over there.
Oh, yeah. I mean, that's kind of almost sort of looks like it's part of this pool, but yeah, there's a little bit of another pool area beyond here.
I think that's more of like a quiet pool.
Yeah, it could be, yeah. And there's restrooms, of course. This is the other little section of pool that's on the other side. plenty of pool area. Looks like this section's anywhere from a foot to 3 feet.